The Science Shop works particularly with community-based organisations who need pieces of research done and with students who need to carry out pieces of research as part of their degree, and we would look to make a match between the two.
The role of science shops is certainly to build bridges, to bring communities into the university sector, to make researchers understand that really interesting, exciting challenges don't just come out of the scientific conference but also come from working with the wider community.
It was nice to be able to come to the science shop and they give me options of projects that needed to be done.
The concept of the science shop is needed, and that you also hear from other students which have done a project for the science shop and what of benefits their research has been to the science shop and society.
In a very practical way, trying to see how we can bridge the gap with the community and have a project that engages students with those problems that are there, and also seeing students as being part of the local community.
When we're talking about community and in community engagement, you know, what does this really mean? And how do we not only share knowledge with the community, but how does the awareness of community transform universities?
I didn't know much about community-based research, but it's been an awesome learning experience, because the more I'm doing it, the more I'm realizing, especially with certain communities, I think it's the only way to do research.
We have to start with what's the policy question, what's the change question, then do the research that gets us there.
Integrity in research came from the idea that it's based on an openness and communication at all levels, and that we're all navigating our way through this, and that no one really necessarily has the answers.
The whole relationship between knowledge, which is in community, knowledge which is in universities, knowledge which are inside of each other, and how do these play out?
One of our models is necessary knowledge that will help transform society.
You can adapt your knowledge which you learn in university to the real world, and you can help other people with it.
I am so proud of myself to make things useful for my country, useful for my people.
The challenge to go beyond simply sharing knowledge, but actually using our knowledge to transform the world.